Hi, I'm Beatrijs de Groot. I am a researcher from the University of Edinburgh, and I work here with the team of IMBEAC to study ceramics from the Iron Age at Monte Bernorio, but also at some other sites in Spain. So I'm an archaeologist, but I'm a ceramic researcher. So my project at the University of Edinburgh focuses on the spread of the potter's wheel in the Western Mediterranean and Southern Europe, and I look at how the adoption of the potter's wheel corresponds to changes that we find in the economy of Iron Age societies in this region, and also in the way in which ceramics are produced. So, for example, the adoption of the potter's wheel corresponds to changes perhaps in the way in which clays are used in different areas. So I look at whether this technology also creates changes in the way in which the landscape is used. So therefore I take geological samples and compare those to the ceramics, to the mineralogical profile of ceramics, using thin section petrography and geochemical analysis. So what I do is I work together with IMBEAC, and I look at the ceramics from the sites of El Cerrito and Monte Bernorio, and I've taken samples to look at the petrographic in thin section. So under the microscope I look at the mineralogies or the minerals inside the ceramics, and then I compare those to locations where we have clays with similar minerals, and then I look at whether ceramics are locally made or imported, and whether there's changes in the way in which different sources or clay beds are used in the area. I'm now here to take geological samples. The way I do this is by comparing the geological map that we have to the environment that we encounter. So the most important thing is to recognize where we have clay sources, and therefore I've been working here with a geologist at Monte Bernorio, and to look at whether these clay sources are located nearby the types of bedrock that we also can recognize inside the ceramics. So in this way we can actually look at these mixtures of clay and inclusions. So yeah, the field work that I'm doing now is focused on taking these geological samples of the clays located nearby the site.